His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu ne ttiimu ya National Unity Platform w'owulirira bino bali mu bitundu bya Dokolo. Bali mu kampeyini ez'omukyala Ageno Harriet ono nga ye yakwatidde ekibiina ki National Unity Platform bendera okukikiikirira ku ky'omubaka omukyala agenda okudda mu kifo ky'omukyala wakati omugenzi Cecilia Ogwala eyafa gye buvuddeko nga yali mu kifo ekyo nga muna FDC. Oluvannyuma lw'okuva mu mulamu w'ensi eno baba tebasobola kuleka kifo ekyo nga kikalu munnange, baba balina okuteekawo omuntu omulala akiikirira abantu b'eddokolo. W'owulirira bino ttiimu y'NUP esitudde dda okugenda okukampeyingira omukyala oyo gwe nkugambye Ageno Harriet. Ageno Harriet mukyala w'amaanyi nnyo era abantu b'eddokolo bamukkiririzaamu. Bambi abantu bamwagala era balaze His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu omukwano. Kyova olaba nga ttiimu yasitukiddemu dda, obalaba abantu bwe bawerekedde bagenda mu kifo bagenda okukubira olukuŋŋaana lwabwe olw'olunaku olw'olwaleero okubeera nga bawulira ku bigambo ebya His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu awamu n'ebigambo by'omubaka omukyala alindiridde okubeera nga alayizibwa, kubanga tukkiriza nti amaanyi mangi tebasobola butamulonda abantu b'eyo. Weewaawo nga wazze wabeerawo enkola nti bannakibiina kya National Unity Platform abazze beetaba mu by-elections mu bitundu eby'enjawulo baziwangulira waggulu ddala, naye olw'Omwami Museveni okulaga nti temuli b'amaanyi muli banafu, agezaako okuteekawo embeera ne bakumpanya obululu ne balaga nti NRM wadde abadde akutte ekifo kyakusatu oba kyakuna bamulangirira ng'omuwanguzi, owamu ne bamuteeka mu kyokubiri oba oliawo ne mu kyokusatu. Naye luno abantu b'eddokolo bo bagamba nti twagala mukyala Harriet yabeera atukiikirira era bajjumbidde. Mukyala w'amaanyi mu bitundu by'eno, muntu w'abantu. Ne Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu kasita asitukiddemu ate ne bamulabako wamma gwe bakkiriza bagamba nti oyo ye waffe, ate kasita otulaze Harriet lwaki tetuyimirire naye. Okulonda nno kugenda kubeera kwa lunaku lwakuno lwa wiiki eno gye tutandise nga His Excellency Kyagulanyi Robert Ssentamu yakuttedde obudde akalulu akanoonyeza mu budde. Kampeyini zikoma olunaku lwa nkya olwokubiri.
Netiwaaka wano bwegaana nga mugenda ku ghetto, eya ghetto bwegaana nga mujja ku mmaali. Bannange Museveni tulina omutwala mu mbeera yonna eriwo. Chansi zino zonna ezijja mulimu abajja okugamba ate mbululu munoonyaamu ki? Ebyaddala kati Cecilia Ogwalo yafa, twetaagayo ba MP abategeera. Tulina okutandika okuvungisa ba MP abategeera n'abatategeera okubajja mu paaliyamenti okusaayo bamemba, kubanga yo yagalagaana paaliyamenti erina okubaawo oba weeri mu ngeri yonna erina okubaawo. So tulina kufuba kulaba nti tuteekayo ba MP abategeera. Esayidi eno tulengerayo Honorable Alice Nannungi okuva e Masaka City, kansala owa Masaka City. Simanyi oba abantu bange balaba kubanga sirabayo. Omusana gwaka ne gukwaka ne mu byenda. Eno live kantumireko omuntu omu yekka, Rebecca Agaba. Ntumirako omuntu omu yekka ku live eno. Rebecca Agaba, maama w'abanna Uganda abanaku abanyigirizibwa. Akumanyi mugenyi owa Ghetto TV. Nja kumubuuza oba akumanyi, naye akumanyi ekisajja ekirina ekiwalaata ekibeera ne president ku mmotoka ya Ghetto, ku mmotoka ya president kya Ghetto TV kimbuuza nti omwambi ota
Agaba Rebecca mmanyi
akumanyi yakulaba ekiwalaata n'agalevu.
Ekiwalaata kyali kibikke muwe namba ya.
Ekiwalaata kyali kibikke ate namba awo gikozese.
Akubirizaako na kumwebazaako byonna.
Kati akuwulira mubuulizeeko wano. Oli ku Map Media TV tuli
Kamafu tekaagaliza.
Kamafu tekaagaliza. Ate okuwagaliza kyonsa kati enamba yaki yogera omubuuzeeko wano akuwulira nti good afternoon, good morning. Okay. Abaana abo be mulaba ne bannange tuli Dokolo tetuli Kampala. Naye bo bandaba oba network yavuddeko dda kubanga nze sirabayo. Wanika ku kifaananyi ekyo. Ya. Oyo ye member wa parliament gwe tuzzaayo Angeno Harriet Honorable Nsanja ya mukutte ne Honorable kati gwe lwaki wagana okusiramuka okudde kubanga wasiramuka dda soko osire soko Honorable jangu sembera
bulijjo atugamba buli muntu yenna Kyagulanyi wasinziira ne wabeera bonna wakolera obuweereza bwe ate ekisingira ddala obukulu ebikolwa bye awo nno nze ndi ku Muzuuli ndikwala ali lw'enkyukakyuka kunga bannayuganda mwenna okuwanga ne wabweru w'eggwanga tulwanirire enkyukakyuka kye twagala ku kubeera mu Uganda ejja wansi wa Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi era tuli Dokolo nga tulwanirira munnakyukakyuka ono olunaku olwokuna tulina ekisuubizo ajja kuwangula asobole okudda olugero ly'omugenzi ng'atikkira disitulikiti eno eya Dokolo.
Abatulaba ku Map Media TV nina omukyala gwe njagala ow'e Masaka Nannungi jangu obuuze kuba Map Media TV. Jangu. Nze mwendi kuza ku bantu.
Abali ku Map Media mwe n'abatulaba tubalamusizza ndowooza mukiraba Dokolo akutte faya wano we tuli pulezidenti waffe yawangulawo 100%. Tuli mukulabiza Museveni nti yabba obululu bwaffe
amanya
Nannungi aliza omuzaganye
mpitira Namugga Honorable Namugga jangu ani
tuteekwa okawangula akalu Angeno Harriet ateekwa okuwangula olwaleero
anti abantu tebakutegedde ani
Namugagala omubaka w'e Mawogola nanange Nnungi
asinga obukyankalanya jangu obuuze ku bantu gyendi mukulu munnange Honorable Katabaazi ng'ontwala e Kalungu oli otya
tuli wano kulaba nti Dokolo naye tukiwamba ekintu kimasivu nga bwe mulaba so kati tetwagala abantu kuma kalulu kaffe ate neeno banunulwe bonna bonna abaliyo oyinza okugamba mbu waliwo aba opposition bangi naye opposition eriemu NUP okujjako bano abagizungirazungiramu abaagala ogitabula ate tubalaba
mpa omukazi Nakintu ono abadde
sitima y'empiki nange mwendi mu nnyumba maze okuba nga nze nayingirawo dawiki bbiri nga ndi Dokolo nga tukola door-to-door campaign eza sister muganda ffe Angeno Harriet abantu bonna ab'e Dokolo balkwil Angeno Harriet balkwil Harriet balkwil umbrella yel Harriet yel Bobi Wine yel umbrella balkwil umbrella
ono jangu buuza ku bantu mu lulimi lwa wano
mbalamusiza mwenna abantu baffe abajjo bagamba nti mu Northern Uganda tewali nkunga nze akulira kunga mu Northern Uganda mulabye ekiriwo wano kunga tuli kunga y'amaanyi era tugenda mu maaso batwaniriza bulungi eyo na mulimu tugikoze musobola kulaba wano ne wali ngeri bayaniriza pulezidenti waffe pulezidenti wabamwaniriza bulungi nnyo kandideti waffe Harriet
yogera mu lulimi lwa wano yogera mu lulimi lwo
ala wadi fo family woro kini Andrew bayo kini kunga afadi ayo we northern Uganda di ayo tena kibi milesi bani His Excellency Robert Chakulania hisorisi are zagelo ni wangundarando hiyo people kunga Uganda kunga
abatula bakumapu Media TV ennimi zezo zonna nazogedde oyo abadde abagamba kunga wano mu northern Uganda ekola kunga mu Masaka egenda kukola ku mpaka kunga e Kalungu East egenda kukola kunga kunga Busiro East kunga genda abali ku Mapu Media TV tuli kulala esembayo mujja kutusonyiwa network yatusumbuye dda awo nawe twavuddeko mujja tusonyiwa bino bye tugenda okukolako network okubanga tekyabula ne mu bitundu bino enjuba oliwe president abere bwati okay oli ku Mapu Media TV nenna mukadde wammwe kakyeki nerya namukadde neera abakadde abamututegeera nabadde ndyejjeeko nekandyezeeko sifenna nti tukola Denisite webale kujja otuuse saawa mmeka oyitidde ku luddawa erikidyeri oyo ye Denisite Fragarizer so tuli Dokolo Awuuma ni MP owedde oli otya ng'onyumye how are you okolera wano kuza ku bantu jangu you are speaking English Bisoga toko bonge ko wano kamera aina
Holo ili unabe yiuyo pecha winyigira bojo atorewa
live ze mutalabye nchiwa mu dakika ntono nnyo oba kati genda ku YouTube eya Mapu Media TV mugenda kulaba ate ebyakabi mugenda kulaba president yekoze ebintu Dokolo genda ku Mapu Media TV YouTube video erabika emaze okudownloading bwayo esaawa zino network ebadde tusumba twagitaddeyo ddako ne network
kuyiru achutikan president uri yero kede kwi ite uyirwo yiyo manene president
ekuriyo
ko imiya uri jira ko
yo agambye Mapu nkwaniriza
The power shines in your hearts, Uganda. Inspector Congo.
Ametuni
oya ina kusigala wawe baba
Aluomkong hotel wa Dokolo district biro ni nyimkane
we
chung uru kikane
Chongoroke kan. Atagenda kutuuza aveewo wano.
Meto hono. Joameti yonge otaha president. Otiu kwa yu ni binu ni nyim. Wabuni nyim. Lo chui yonge wele wini ngeo chika. Ni binu nyim. Wabuni nyim. Ewe giyokwa watu itutuan. Apo yu wa. La obere jawa. La obere jameni yang ping. Lukau kwa u. Ni binu ni nyim. Binu na manu.
Thank you so much. And we're going to thank our president.
Oli ku Map Media TV Dokolo. Batuuse okunsuula Mama Cedrica Bannange eri nvuddeyo ow'emmotoka nzunza. Excuse me. Oli ku Map Media TV.
Okay. Thank you.
Omulabi officer wa Nup. Amanya mpozi gwani. Bobi Giant. From Busoga. Abana be Busoga ndoza mbalaba. Funa wakuru. Yala funa wakuru wano.
Mr. President. Mr. President, allow me to introduce to you the district leaders. These are our leaders for Dokolo district. This is our focal point person for Dokolo district. You can tell your name, only your name. Opio Emmanuel. This is our campaign manager for this campaign which we are moving on.
My name is Sandro Sabo. I'm the campaign manager at Double as mobilizer for Nup, Dokolo district. My name is Geoffrey Oko. I am the district spokesperson, National Unity Platform, Dokolo district.
I'm called Honorable Jasper Fellow, the male youth councillor, and I double as the district registrar, Dokolo district. And I do. I'm David Alienyo, mobilizer.
This is Rana Lokelo, Chairman Youth under Nup Dokolo District.
Treasurer under Nup.
Thank you. This is our party structures. Hi, Moses Mawa, focal person, ADP Lao Sub-Region. Thank you very much. Let me take this opportunity to invite my senior leader, Chogo, because we don't have time. Chogo,
Okay.
People power!
Deputy President Kunga! Kunga Zedriga Kunga!
Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to welcome you officially in Lango sub-region and Dokolo in particular. We have been here doing mobilization, and this is the result. I want to assure you that our ground is fertile. You have come to polish the ground, and we are going to deliver result. Our candidate is strong, and he has proven beyond a doubt that he will deliver to Parliament of Uganda. People of Dokolo district have welcomed her. I thank you very much, Mr. President, for coming and supporting the only girl, the only woman, the only mother of Dokolo district, Mama Harriet Ageno Nenediro. I don't want to take much time. I just want to take this honor to allow the Deputy President, who is going to invite the President, to also welcome you. Thank you very much.
Luak medohono, adwonge ukobili ye yom tutwal, da ye yom modosho, veneno luak uponkan, mebiru jolo President, iruwa mamalo kitiere. Upo umate. Luak, adwonge do kwa yedake hane, mecholo alo President, imat Dr. Lina Zadriga, melokeru tejolo President. Kunga! Adon President.
Yes, we got to send you one. Ready to know your community one.
Dr. Lina Zadriga.
Uganda as the Deputy President. I want to welcome you.
Amity Jolie, Pashukan.
Together with all these multitudes of the people of Northern Uganda that love you so much.
Terelua Kichipa Lupon Kano Dasho, Pushu, Jolie Mate.
That I promise to give you name.
Dadoginu Jolie, Kuluni, Toping Chapapa.
We are here.
Wanotikan.
Your people, your brothers, your sisters, just want to hear your voice.
Omegeni, Kedamegeni, Tiamituini, Kadotuani, Adon President.
Your Excellency, Bobi, Your Excellency, Oge, Your Excellency, Nadera, I want to say, please speak when the time of the people of Dokolo.
Holy Map Media TV.
Mommy, allow me to recognize.
Check, mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Kaweng. When I say Kaweng, you say NUP. NUP! Kaweng! NUP! Rubangbe!
the people of Dokolo, thank you very much to the people of northern Uganda. To the people of northern Uganda, thank you very much for giving us Dr. Lina Zedriga. But particularly to the people of Dokolo, thank you very much. Thank you very much for welcoming us today. But thank you very much in a special way for giving us this honorable leader, our comrade Harriet. Thank you very much. Honorable Harriet again on Nenidiro. For me, I have a special respect for women because I was brought up by my mother. And I know what women can do to a country because women are mothers. They love and they don't look after themselves but the children that are coming after them. That is why when we were welcomed by the LC chairperson who is a...
Welcome to anybody. I haven't yet welcomed anybody here.
Oh, well, at least I saw the chairperson was a woman. Yes. And Lina Zedriga is a woman. And now we have a special woman from this place. I felt it was a special something. We are with us with MPs that came to join the incoming MP today here. We have Honorable David Serukenya with us. We have the Honorable Katabazi Francis with us here.
Our power. People power.
We have my brother, the Honorable Nsanja Patrick, with us here. And in a special way, we also have the Deputy Chairperson of the Public Accounts Committee, an Honorable Member of Parliament, Goreti Namuga, with us here. Now, I will be very brief because today, much as you welcomed me, I am not the guest of honor. The guest of honor is Honorable Ageno Harriet. But I will say this. The people of Dokolo, for a very long time you have been lied to. Museveni does not allow me to reach the people because he fears that I will tell them the truth. He has bought everybody, but he has failed to buy me. He has silenced everybody, but he has failed to silence me. And that is why I am asking you to also send somebody who we believe will not be silenced by Museveni. For a long time, Northern Uganda has brought very brilliant leaders to parliament, but unfortunately Museveni buys them. When I was a young boy, I used to love Norbert Mao, and some of us came into politics because we admired people like Norbert Mao. But many of you saw what happened. We as a generation, especially you, the young people of Dokolo, you have a duty to show Uganda that not everybody from this place can be bought off. When I came up, I told you that I cannot do this alone. That is why we requested the people, especially young people from all over Uganda, for every region, all of you, you can become Bobi Wine in your area. We can get different Bobi Wines from men and from women, young or old. We can find different Bobi Wine from different religions. We can find different Bobi Wine from different tribes. All of you, especially the elder people here, you know that when the colonialists came here, they succeeded in ruling over us by dividing us along tribal lines. Even Museveni is working like a colonialist because he divides us along tribal lines. He has made sure that he makes tribe a factor among us not to work together. Now, I want to tell you, especially you, the young people, that our problems do not differentiate what tribe you come from or what religion you're coming from. These things I'm telling you, I am not coming up with them right now. If you want to prove that what I'm saying is true, look at the roads here in Dokolo and all of northern Uganda. Look at the hospitals here in northern Uganda. Look at the schools here in northern Uganda. Look at how many people have gone to university in northern Uganda. And even those that go to university, how many of them have gotten jobs? Look at the military, look at the police, look at all the ministries, and tell me how many people from here are serving in high-ranking positions. Look at how much of your land is being given away by the Balal to the Balalos. These are Museveni's people. He only does that because he silences your leaders. I have told you he has bought everybody, but he has bought most people, but he cannot buy everybody. He has killed so many leaders, particularly here in northern Uganda, but he cannot kill everybody. He has put so many people in prison, but he cannot imprison everybody. The only weapon that we have is this microphone and our mouths and our bodies and the truth. So now that I have this opportunity today, I want to tell you that this is not just a parliamentary campaign for campaigning for Ageno Harriet. This is a revolution. I just want to open your eyes, young people of Dokolo and northern Uganda. We have to get the second independence. That is the only way we are going to change the future of these young boys and girls that are looking at us right now. Right now, I am speaking to you while looking at the senior citizen, the father of our honorable member, Ageno Harriet, right here. Him and his generation are looking at us to change Uganda and build the Uganda that we will be proud of. You are not going to be a young man or woman forever. Think about your children. Think about yourself when you're 50, 60, 70 years. Where are you going to get the treatment that you will need at that age? What schools are your children going to go to? Are you ready to be a slave in your own country? The answer should be no. But how do we do that? We only start by choosing the right voices to speak for us. I have spoken to my sister here. And yesterday I was watching her on the debate where some candidates even ran away. And I was convinced that we have the best of Dokolo. But I can only talk to you because I don't even vote from here. The power is all yours, ladies and gentlemen. You have a choice. You have an opportunity to start with this young lady so that she can inspire other young women and men. And we can take the fight to parliament. You know what parliament has become? It has become a gang, a den of thieves. Even some of the people that go there when they are good people, Museveni compromises them. We need to stop that by taking new blood every time. I can go on and on, ladies and gentlemen. But I want my sister to speak to you in her language. And I want you to listen to her, but most importantly, I want you to take the message and make sure that everybody here becomes a campaign manager for our sister Ageno Harriet.
Or Map Media TV.
I know that the regime that Museveni wants you to give up on elections. That is why they keep rigging elections, they keep arresting people during elections. But don't give up on elections, because it is elections that have made Museveni naked in the whole world. My sister, Honorable Ageno Harriet, allow me to hand over the microphone to you so that you can speak to the heart of our brothers and sisters and prepare them for the revolution that we're having the day we're having elections and moving forward until we remove Dictator Museveni from power. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for giving me this mic and for introducing me officially to my own people. Ame potpa loho, ame donia chakere muto papa, ame onywala wehen koko ginoro.
She has said, anyway, they understand. I will not translate.
Map Media TV. Map Media TV. Oyo ayambuka ye taata wa Honorable oyo ye Honorable yeesimbyewo ku kaadi ya Nup ate oyo ye taata we wano tulimu
Uganda hoye! Angela Luoni, Lewis Olodomo, Nenidiro. Abela Witong, Mea Teherna, Luoni Ukarwoko Tiling. Kaikarabeye, Abela Witong, Awona Luom, and Post. Harriet Ageno Uberatina and Mekao. Amel Male Pashamon only a dog. Ameti district Medokolo. Donc, un petit copapol, Arakobuka Kovachel Keken. Ni Arami Ukori. Kora Liet. Kora Romi or Dohorien. Ana jaro kwa chimu wa Medokolo. Ana mione kino tena ni upol. Eka kone pegia uru mera ni diro. Tijo okere, ana mita kowe tijo okere. Ana achate richuka gaya. Ana akete richuka mai. Pewiye. Tuga pashu. Edo meraliyo ya keremaliye.
Oyo ye taata w'omubaka Ageno Harriet ono ayeesimbiddewo ku kadi y'ekibiina ki National Unity Platform ayayanira okukwata Obwawuma ne MP w'ekitundu ekyo ekya Dokolo District. Abuuzaako naye ku bantu be, abuuzaako ku balonzi ba muwala we. Embeera bw'etyo bw'eyimiridde His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ye ebigambo abyogedde anti oyo omumanyi w'omukwasiza Kazindaalo aba tajja kukuttira ku liiso ensonga azoogera nga bwe ziri kubanga ye si be bano abajja mu politics okumulyamu obuli nti asobola okwetiiririra olw'okubanga asuubira nti ate abakulu bampadde ssente zaabwe lwaki mbakalakata bwe nti ye ebigambo abikugamba nga bwe biteekeddwa okubeera kati okusalawo kuba eri mu mutima gwo olaba nga bye batuufu ng'ogenda nabo olaba nga byakubuulira ge mazima ng'osalawo ng'odda ku ludda lwa bannayuganda abeetaaga okununula ensi yaabwe kubanga bba abasajja ekituufu bamaliridde kugisaanyaawo kati awo kiriba eriggwe okusalawo nti abantu bano tubagobaganye mu buyinza tuleete omuntu alirwedde okukyusa eggwanga lyaffe okuliteeka we tulyagala.
Upawuli Yesu, upawuli Road, connecting your memory Akyali.
Akugambye oli ku Map Media TV ebirala ngenda biddamu.
Ate lo picha wanono. Ana lo pidakia merawo kario. Machel wundenge unyako ninya luoni Ageno Harriet Nenidiro. Ginekate ko biwene. Ate ko biwoni nena urukere diro. Pien Parliament watu wariecha milungata loho. Ubata mituweyo pingwang jomedolo ibeo imi wati na Ageno. Arabela tinwo, dabela minwu, dabela dahu. Anatia chung pika kutien koparia. Machel atia chung pi service delivery. Eka Mario pepero good representation. Ame ngata mepelo pero mo representing the parliament and parliament amiri jo aloho. Ana midenia ko bi kiti. Wano tiekele dahatal, ame molwa kwele nywalo ko. Pierre kay wore dahatal, na okoni koy will gloves ena miyote choli. Okoni will pull pisho ena miyote chuchududi. Do wala tia bilo me, ateko biwuni, gamete tiyo, eto miro jo ame ponyo wiye. Anachala ghetto, atia wari parliament, me wo poyui, wo bariani, wala tie kele epi goli, kele epi ukoto gong. Do amito daliet, da me toiletie, me wot, me ye wo beni enangi chiene. Kala wala ye wigi, eda meo, yo te pura dolo. Ana wali yitopi, anu yo pepe ye. Wala no to me tell president no kwala mwene to pay on what pay yo pe. Wala pay kele my dolo. Kuno tiekele omema me parliament, I'm over a ruling party. Edo my pay dolo. No more no pingo no. Don't think a joker make a ambulance. How can ambulance?
Ebyo nebigambo bisaba kalulu bibategeeza Museveni mubi, Museveni mubbi, Museveni mutemu, twina n'ababaka abamu aba opposition bampuuga abeegasse naye ne balya ssente y'omusolo ne balya ssente y'abakazi abo bonna ne balya ne paadi z'abaana abawala. Ebyo bye bivuunulwa ngenda kubavuunulira ebirala oli ku Map Media TV. Akirewo kwali ku kido wa president security gulu
atela amera muwoti ginokela mami ta weki uwele atako biwuni kada kwa peteri welo dada ko biwuni ipila wele timwa ikalemela jaga yiri wonyom ukowo ni mi moda hamara peg ameka tia award tiere ngisho ping ero ba mi unido kala modo karashu wuni bili kwa wuni ni akeli word one president eni enda akeli ni eni enda modu wuni kala modu genyudo mi yakuye kwa mi de koneno jua dia meni nepiane we Akyali ami yakuye Electoral Commission mi watudio wako amia palo kapol eto chapananyo nama nao obero umbrella kado nyinga kendo rwenyuko yiri weti mwa igweba umbrella kado umbrella rwenyuko inuonga nama rio i ballot paper akwaba ni kuogu kweni ne piarewe Akyali imia uno ticket me wori parliament oba me polo medi ugu
oli ku Map Media TV
imidi president Ongoru
ono ye president waffe gwe tulina owaddala
I am this man from Kambodscha. We are fighting for freedom. But you get to say, man, I say, we are fighting for freedom. We are fighting for freedom.
oli ku Map Media TV mwebale okubeera naffe